Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making a delicious breadfruit hash. Now, this does not just look delicious, it was absolutely delicious. So remember, for all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box. Now, here is what you will need for today's recipe. Let's get started. So my last visit to New York, I was lucky to get this breadfruit on Liberty. After cutting into the breadfruit, this is how it should be looking on the inside for some of us who don't know what is breadfruit. Now I'm going to go ahead and peel this, wash it, and cut it up and come back and show you guys the next step. Now after you're done peeling and washing your breadfruit, this is how it should be looking. Now go ahead and cut these into nice small bite size, and after you're done, this is how it should be looking. Now go ahead and cut the others and I'll come back and show you the next step. Now for other ingredients I will be using here in this little container, I have some garlic salt, some paprika, some complete seasoning, and chicken bouillon. I also used a little bit of adobo, which I forgot to show you guys here. For my green seasoning, I will be using some cilantro, some pimento pepper, some red and green chili, some thyme, and I will also be using a few flakes of garlic and a piece of red onion. Now add all the green seasoning to your blender except the onion. The onions we will chop on the side. Once everything is in the blender, you're going to finely chop these. You don't want to have it at a puree consistency. You just want it to be nice and finely chopped. So now that we have all our ingredients prepared and ready, to a pot, I have some water coming up to a boil, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of adobo. Try not to add too much because you don't want the breadfruit to become too salty. Now go ahead and add your breadfruit to the pot and allow it to come up to a boil. Once it comes up to a boil, you're then going to allow this to cook on medium-low heat until you insert a fork and it goes in and comes out easily. Now after it is fully cooked, go ahead and remove it from the pot and set it on the side. Now after throwing out the water, I went in with a little bit of oil. You want to go ahead and add in about a half cup to about 3/4 of a cup of oil, any oil of your choice. You will then allow the oil to come up to a nice hot temperature, and we are going to add in our breadfruit. We'll then fry that until it is a nice light golden brown color, or until it is crispy on the outside. Now once you achieve that nice golden brown color you are looking for, you're going to remove the breadfruit from the oil, set it on the side, and you're going to continue frying the rest. Now after frying all your breadfruit, you will want to remove some of the oil from the pan. Now after removing the oil, allow it to come back up to a nice hot temperature. Then go ahead and add in your green seasoning along with your onions. Try not to overcook the veggies, otherwise it's going to get soggy and it's going to lose that beautiful color. Now after about a minute or so, you're going to go ahead and add in the breadfruit and you want to toss it together. You're going to also go in with your dry ingredients. Give that a good toss. Allow everything to be nicely coated and evenly distributed. And you're going to turn your stove off, allow this to cool down, and it is ready to serve. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I do hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy making it for you all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed for more delicious recipe. As usual, I want to say thank you for watching. Goodbye, and I will see you in my next video.